name is Joanne Tumolak, and I'm a teacher, ESL teacher in previously Philinter Center for English Language, but now join us English Language Academy. I am an English teacher, a graduate of Cebu Normal University, a university for teachers, and now I'm taking up my master's course for English language teaching. Now, I've been teaching in Philinter for 6 years, since the day the school was open. I have been here, and I teach grammar, I teach speaking and listening, and I think all subjects, I can do that. But my focus, most of my subjects here, because I teach group classes, most of my subjects focus on grammar. Yes. Now, how do I teach grammar? I think I'm good at grammar. I'm good at presenting the lesson to my students. One thing I learned for the students to easily understand the subject grammar is that I have to teach them grammar the easiest way possible. Make the difficult lesson easy. Yeah, okay, and they have studied in their country the structures of grammar, so I focus on how to use grammar so that they can speak English in everyday conversation. Yeah, so grammar is not boring when I teach, okay? Grammar is interesting. You will speak and you will know not only the structure but when to use them, right? So come here and join us as we study our subjects here. Now, why should you study in Join Us, previously Philinter? Yeah, you should come here because we offer you 4 one-on-one classes, 2 group classes, and those subjects that you will be taking are focused on your weak points. Okay, we have very strict monitor of your progress. Okay, because we give you different types of exams that will check whether you have improved in the different field of English. So we have the word power test because we know that vocabulary is one of the weaknesses among students. We also have the progress test to check all the areas of English. Yeah, so from there, we check whether you have improved or not, and then we do something about the weakness that you have. Okay, the level will be changed. Why should you study here? Because you will have a buddy teacher. Yeah, what is a buddy teacher? A buddy teacher is your friend teacher in the school who will be helping you during your entire stay in our academy. Okay, so you will be guided as to what you are supposed to do in and outside the school. And I assure you, everyone, that you will be given very good teachers because we are very strict as to the quality of the teachers. We train them, we give them team building, we give them tests to make sure that they are equipped with all the things they need to be able to develop students from another country. So I hope to see you here. This is Joanne, and bye-bye.